Pistol squats. This is an opportunity to challenge yourself. You can body weight that, or adding a little bit of a counterbalance can actually help you. Keeping that chest proud, neutral spine, go to a single leg. Make sure your body's ready for this. You're going to extend one leg out as far in front of you as you can. Adjust the counterbalance to whatever's necessary, and perform repetitions. Side angle, chest proud, extend that leg, extend the counterbalance to wherever you need it. And heck, let's do one more. That is a pistol squat.